Hello friends, in this video I am going to teach you how we can do writing task 2 which is based upon positive or negative development. Do you think this is positive or negative development? And the full wording of the task is, many people put their personal information. Personal information, it can be like as personal details or personal data online on internet. For example, address, telephone numbers, PAN card numbers, account numbers for everyday activities, means daily based activities such as socializing on social networks like Facebook, Twitter, to talk with friends or upload videos, postings, and banking purposes. Okay, do you think it is a positive or a negative development? So what are your views? Is this positive or negative? So you can say that here you have options like, you can say yes, it is a positive development, or you can also say it is negative development, or you can say it is both positive and negative, or you can say it is it has a few positive points, however it is more negative, means you can say that it is less positive but more negative. This is less positive and more negative development. So you have 4 options over here to attempt this task. Okay, now I'm going to show you that how you can write introduction, how you can write body paragraphs and conclusion. So you can either positive or negative, 2 options, you can both, 3 option. It is less positive and more negative, or it is less negative and more positive. Like in this way we have 4 to 5 options to attempt this task. Now before writing introduction, the most important thing is planning. How to plan this essay? So for planning we need ideas. We need to write ideas. For example, we will think about ideas that will make this task positive, or what ideas for negative development. So first of all, let's do a planning. So I'm going to rub this board. So the first positive point is, if you have already uploaded your personal details on the internet, then the benefit is that there are certain kind of facilities or comforts when you do online shopping, because your details are already with them. For example, if you have already created your account on Amazon, you are already having, so you need not to fill the details again. You can quickly go for your shopping, making payments. So lot of time is saved in this regard if you have already uploaded your personal information or details when you sign in, when you sign up for any account or sign in for any account, then you upload your details. So things become easy for shopping later on. And for banking transactions, suppose you have to make payment or send money in somebody's account. If you already have login account with certain bank, for example Axis Bank or ICICI Bank, so you can make transactions quite easily. You need not to fill all the data or details again. So making payments of bills, transfer money from one account to other account. So this is a rough idea that I have just pointed out here, that what benefits are there if you have already signed in various websites that you use on daily basis. Amazon shopping site we often use on daily basis, or banking transactions we make daily basis. So it provides you an ease. So there is a comfort that uploading these data or details give you. So now we are seeing the other side. Now look at the negative side. When you upload your personal details like account number, PAN card number, telephone number, so there are chances that financial frauds can be done quite easily by certain criminal minded people who are expert in using computers, internet, or can handle the data. So financial frauds can be possible, like somebody can hack your account and withdraw money from your account without your information. Another is misuse of personal details. Your personal details can be stolen from there, and later on phone calls, threatenings, or frequently, annoying calls are there, like you can buy our product or our services. So such kind of personal details uploaded can create a mess in your life, so make you put you in trouble. So these kind of negative things are there that you can elaborate over there. So we have sufficient points on both sides. So now we have to decide which side we have to go. So in this essay I am choosing that there are few positives and more negative consequences of such kind of practice. So I am going to write my whole essay that this is more negative and less positive. So structure of this essay will be like this. First, brief introduction, 4-5 lines, okay. After that, on the one hand means positive point, then on the other hand negative side, okay. This is a positive side, means on the one hand. I will start with this phrase, on the one hand, then negative side, on the other hand, okay. So it is going to be like this, and then there will be last paragraph, brief like introduction, it will be conclusion finally, okay. So this is going to be the structure of my essay, and I am going to add only one point in case of positive and 2 points will be added here in case of negative, because I am going to write that it is less positive and more negative trend or scenario, okay. So this thing is clear. Now we have to write the introduction. Introduction will be done by paraphrasing this statement and adding our own thesis statement. After that, positive side, negative side, and finally. So my introduction would be like this. Nowadays means in these days. What is happening in these days? It is becoming increasingly common for people to provide their personal details online. You can further, if you don't like this sentence, you can further in any other way, like it has become a trend nowadays to upload personal data on internet for various purposes, okay. Although this practice might facilitate a better user experience, you can also write that, although I use this here to make a contradictory statement, although is a kind of conjunction I have used here to make a sentence complex. So all this practice may provide comfort or ease for a better user experience. Some users find it very easy because already they have uploaded their data. I believe, this is my personal opinion now, I believe the trend is negative. Why it is negative? As people will be vulnerable to cyber crimes, means people will prone to cyber crime. They can be victim of cyber crime. You can also write that I believe the trend is negative, as people can become victim of cyber crime. So in this way the introduction is done, and this is not the final introduction. You can write many other ways as well. You can also write like in these days there is a growing trend to use internet for socializing, like using Facebook, Twitter, or doing some shopping or banking work. For that purposes, people often upload their personal information to create account over there. This information helps them to easily use these services. However, I personally believe that this is a more negative trend and it can create many problems for the people. So this can be another type of introduction. So now the body para 1. On the one hand, you can give your thesis statement over here, like on the one hand, uploading personal details. When you upload your personal details, so what will happen? You get certain kind of facility, like comfort. So uploading personal detail, when you uploading personal details, what makes you? It facilitates. It creates a facilitation for you. Like for example, you can comfortably do shopping. Like for example, on Amazon, if you want to do shopping and already you are registered with that, so it will save you a lot of time. Similarly, for banking purposes, if you want to transfer money from one account to other account, and that can be easily done. You need not to afresh upload the details. So that can be time consuming. It will save your time and money can be quickly transferred to somebody's account. So this is, you will write in this body paragraph. Okay. Now in case of on the other hand, uploading personal details or personal information can invite criminals to hack your accounts. Criminals can hack your accounts. Okay, I am just giving you brief information because it's not easy to write full essay on the board. And they can steal your money. So money can be stolen, and sometimes the personal details can also be used by the criminals to threaten you, or they can do other illegal activities like kidnapping of children by getting the details, addresses and other information, like so how many children are in the family, and they can get the name of the school where the children are studying. They get kidnapped from there, hijacking vehicles, cars, like this way. So you have to elaborately done this paragraph. Firstly, hacking of account. Secondly, misusing information in other ways. So in this way you will write body para 2. Then after that, conclusion. So in conclusion, you have to show the reflection of both body paragraphs. Whatever have you written in the body para 1 and body para 2, their main idea you have to repeat in the conclusion. In conclusion, in spite of some minor conveniences, minor comforts, registering personal details online is a negative development, considering the risk of online fraud or online financial frauds. So in this way, the whole essay can be written.